guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Wanted to switch things up here a bit and continue talking about cryptocurrency. As you guys can see here, I have my Coinbase application open, currently taking a look at the impressive performance of Bitcoin over the last year, and taking a look a little bit farther back here, you can really see in the past 6 months or so the price of Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketing. In a similar fashion, Ethereum here skyrocketing, and Litecoin as well, going from $4 past $50 at one point, currently at $46.86. As you guys know or may not know from my prior videos, I used to mine cryptocurrency script coins, including Litecoin, Dogecoin. There's a number of other cryptocurrencies as well in the script class. Had a bunch of Radeon HD 7990s and a mining rig. Did that for a while, but because of the price of the particular currency at that time was so low, the cost to cool the devices, the electricity to run the devices, was not worth it. Basically, every minute that you were running the mining rigs, and basically the mining rigs consisted of a bunch of GPUs run by a very underpowered computer. Basically, you're just running the GPUs. They were mining coins, basically just doing mathematical operations, producing these coins. But the amount of energy that it took to run the computer, run the GPUs essentially, as well as cool the GPUs, didn't make any sense. Now it sort of does make a little bit more sense, but back then didn't make any sense, so I kind of got out of it. But I did mine 68 coins, or at least I mined enough coins. I had 68 left over. I think I mined about 300 or so Litecoins overall, as well as some other cryptocurrencies, other script coins as well. But I still have 68 coins, which, you know, a few months ago really wasn't worth anything. Now I think it's a little bit over $3,200, which is kind of a nice bonus there. Was not expecting the price of currency ever to go up, especially not up to the levels that it is up to now. So the big question, and question I want to pose to you guys, the YouTube community, I want to solicit some advice from you guys. Do you think cryptocurrency is a legitimate diversification with regards to investments? As you guys know, I have my Robinhood portfolio, I have an E-Trade account, a Vanguard account. I also have some real estate property, but I'm also looking to maybe put a little bit of money into cryptocurrency. Like I said, I have 68 Litecoins right now. You can see on the bottom here I have a little bit of Bitcoin as well, but just $6.39, so not a lot. But I do have quite a bit of Litecoin, and the question would be is, do you think this is first legitimate? Do you think this is just a bubble? Lots of people kind of jumping on board with the pump and dump, momentum trading. At some point there's going to be a lot of sell-off with regards to cryptocurrencies, and the price is going to sink back to where it was. For example, Litecoin here, it was $4 just a few months ago. Now it's $46.86. Or do you think this is going to be a legitimate currency moving forward? I don't want to talk too much about the technology with regards to cryptocurrency. It's very, very complicated. It's basically a ledger technology, very sophisticated, relies on cryptography, very, very complex mathematics that essentially makes currency digital, or at least it's a form of currency that folks will put value on. Really, it's just dependent on how much anyone's willing to pay for an individual coin of this particular cryptocurrency. And as you can see on the bottom here, it's broken down into a millionth of a Bitcoin here, for example. Litecoin, the other coins as well. So I think it's out to 8 or 10 decimal points. I can't remember exactly the level that it goes down to, but essentially it's a mathematic type of currency. You can store it electronically, you can transmit it electronically. It's not tied to any particular foreign government's fiat currency, which is kind of cool for investors or people who hold this particular type of currency in countries or maybe areas that have very unstable geopolitical situations. I think a lot of this surge here had to do with some of the regulations in China opening up and a lot of Chinese investors and other folks buying cryptocurrency. Don't know if that's exactly true or not, but that's what I've heard, that's what I've read about. But again, the question is, and maybe we can do this in the comment threads, I'll see if I can't set up a straw poll as well. Do you think cryptocurrency is a viable diversification strategy? That is, not only putting money into the stock market and investing, small business, but also putting some money into cryptocurrency and holding this kind of in a buy and hold strategy for a little bit longer term. So in the comment threads, let's see if we can't vote on this. If you think this is a good strategy, again, not putting all your money, just putting a portion of it, maybe 5% into cryptocurrency. If you think it's a good strategy, put yay, Y-E-A-H, in the comment thread down below. If you don't think it's a great idea, put nay, N-A-H, and we'll kind of tally these up and see where everybody sits on it. I know there's a lot of passionate investors, a lot of passionate cryptocurrency folks who really believe in the cryptocurrency. Others think it's kind of a fad, a big bubble that's going to burst at any moment. And I'm not quite sure what to think about it. Initially, I thought it was a kind of a cool concept. Like I said, I was initially involved in some of the mining, script coin mining, Litecoin, Dogecoin mining. Thought it was a lot of fun, to be quite honest. Got out of it because of the cost involved, but because the price of the coins has went up so dramatically, I think it might be viable to get back in and do some mining. Again, it's very complex with mining as well. Essentially, the more people who mine, the less you're able to generate coins. So the fewer miners, the more you're able to generate. So the more competition, essentially, it's harder to get coins, and it drives up the electricity and cooling prices, and you have to add on more video cards, and essentially it's a technology race with regards to the miners themselves. So I'm not sure if it's viable to get back into mining, but I think it might be viable to get in, buy some coins, hold those, and see what happens with the market. But again, let's kind of do a poll here. Yay if you think cryptocurrency is a viable diversification strategy. Put nay if you do not think it's worthwhile, if you think it's a scam or very high risk. Basically, the risk outweighs the reward with regards to the investment. So yeah, just wanted to talk a little about cryptocurrency. Give me your thoughts. And again, I know there's a lot of passionate people each way on this particular subject. A lot of people love cryptocurrencies. Others think it's essentially kind of a fad. There's really nothing to it. I'm kind of in the middle right now, not quite sure where to lean. Might be a little bit more biased towards it being viable currency. But again, let me know in the comment threads down below. And like I said, I'll try to set up a straw poll as well to see if we can't vote on this and kind of get your ideas about cryptocurrency. So yeah, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate your support on the channel. I definitely appreciate all the video ideas that you guys have been giving to me. I've been trying to catch up today. That's why you see so many videos out today. Lots of great things to read up on and research. And again, this was a topic that a viewer about a year ago or so mentioned that Coinbase has an online app. I did not know that. I had a Coinbase account, but I did not know it had a smartphone app. Got onto the app, and I've absolutely loved this app. You can jump in. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies with a credit card, debit card, but I really just use it to monitor the price of cryptocurrencies. It's kind of cool here. You know, you see I have a small balance here. All my Litecoin I'm holding in cold storage offline. I don't trust holding any coins online. The big exchanges I know of anyway, Mt. Gox, this is what really crashed the price of Bitcoin initially, was the disaster with Mt. Gox. One of the initial trading platforms for Bitcoin, and then Cryptosea, another one that had a lot of Dogecoin, some say Doge, some say Doge coin, as well as some other types of script coin, a little bit rarer types of script coin. The CEO of that company turned out to be a fraud and took and stole all the coins. So I'm not going to store or save any coins online. I just have a few Bitcoins here, that's why, or a few fractions of a Bitcoin. That's why you see a balance there. Otherwise, I keep all of my coins offline, cold storage, on a computer that's not connected to the internet, just to keep those safe. And I'm glad I did, because right now those are worth $3,200. Kind of a nice little surprise there. But again, let me know what you guys think about cryptocurrency.